we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Louisiana, as well as how to say more interesting, but often confusing names of famous cities in the US, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Now, locally, people pronounce it as New Orleans, with a stress on that or syllable, New Orleans, although some even say it with 4 syllables, as in New Orleans, New Orleans, and that's because in French it is said as Nouvelle Orléans. Orléans is how you say it. But anyhow, just remember that it's not New Orleans and it's not New Orleans either. More like locally it is called New Orleans. New Orleans. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of famous cities and places around the United States. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.